Hi everyone, welcome back to the Kannada channel. Today I'm going to explain Hanchi Tinnona. It's a small drama which is in 4th grade textbook. So let's get started. ಬಾಲು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇತು ಒಂದೇ ವಟಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಬಾಲು and Setu are friends who lived in the same place. Vatara meaning a small houses surrounded. ಬಾಲುವಿನ ಮನೆಯ ಮುಂದಿನ ರಸ್ತೆಗೆ ತಾಕಿ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರವಿತ್ತು. There was a tree, there was a mango tree. ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ meaning mango tree. So there was a tree which is connected to the Balu's house road. ಅದು ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಕಾಲ. That was a mango season. ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಂಪು ಹಳದಿ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳಿದ್ದವು. There were red and yellow mangoes in the tree. ಸೇತುವಿಗೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ನೋಡಿ ಆಸೆ ಆಯಿತು. Now Setu looked at the fruit and he was feeling like eating it. ಕಲ್ಲು ತೆಗೆದು ಒಗೆದ. He stoned at the fruit. ಒಂದು ಹಣ್ಣು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಹಿತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು. So there was one fruit fell in the backyard. ಬಾಲು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದು ಆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹೆಕ್ಕಿಕೊಂಡ. And ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇತು ಓಡಿ ಬಂದ. So now Balu ran to pick up the fruit because it fell towards his house. That was the backyard of his house. And by then Setu already rushed to the place. So let's understand, this is going to be the conversation between Balu and Setu. So let's understand that. So now Setu says, hey Balu, kodo, adu nanna hannu. Now Setu is saying, hey Balu, give that fruit to me, that belonged to me. And Balu says, Allah, nannadu. And Balu replies, no, it's mine. Setu says, Nanu kallu ogedaga bidda hannu. This fruit fell because I stoned at the fruit. And now Balu replies, hey, yava marada hannu adu. Then Balu is asking, hey, which tree that fruit belongs to? And now Setu is saying, ಯಾವುದೇನು ಮಾವಿನ ಹರಿದು. This is a mango. This belongs to mango tree. And Balu asks him, ಮರ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳು? Where is the tree? Tell me. And now Setu replies, ದಾರಿ ಬದಿಲಿ. It's beside the road. Balu says, ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು ಹೇಳು? And now tell me, where did the fruit fall? Setu replies, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿತ್ತಲೆ. And now Setu is taking a time and then he is just extending and saying, that is in your backyard. And now Balu replies, ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? That's true, right? It fell in our backyard. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗು. And that is why I'm saying this belong to me. I'm not gonna give. Setu says, ನಾನು ಬೀಳಿಸಿದ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ? This was the fruit which I made it fall. Will you give it or not? And Balu is saying, ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? What will you do? I'm not gonna give it to you. What are you gonna do? And now ಸೇತುವಿಗೆ ವಿಪರೀತ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು. Now Setu is very angry. ಬಾಲುವಿನ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಕಸಿಯಲು ನೋಡಿದನು. Now he tried to snatch a fruit from Balu's hand, but he could not. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಜಗಳವಾಡಿದರು. They both quarreled. They both fought. ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೊರಳಾಡಿದರು. They fell on the ground. They were actually just giving everything that they have to fight. ಜಗಳವನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಹಿರಿಯರೊಬ್ಬರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು. There was an old man who was watching all these things, whatever happened between Balu and Setu, and he reached the place. Now ಹಿರಿಯರು, the old man, he asks him, the older person asks him, ಏಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಜಗಳ? Why is the fight? Children, Setu replies, ನಾನು ಬೀಳಿಸಿದ ಹಣ್ಣು. He says, this fruit belonged to me because I made it fall. Balu replies, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿತ್ತಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದ ಹಣ್ಣು. This fruit fell in my backyard. And the grandfather says, the old man says, ಹಣ್ಣು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡುವ. Let's go find out where is the fruit. ಅದು ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದು ನಜ್ಜುಗುಜ್ಜಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಳಗೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ತುಂಬಿತು. By then it was already on the road, and it was ನಜ್ಜುಗುಜ್ಜಾಗಿತ್ತು, meaning it was all many vehicles must have ran on it, or it by the because of the force that it fell on the ground, it actually lost its upper body. ಒಳಗೆ ಮಣ್ಣು ತುಂಬಿತು, and it was filled with soil because it was on the ground, on the road. ಹಿರಿಯರು, now the older man says, ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, now did you see, ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಹುಡುಗರು, both of you go to school. ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಲಾಭವಾಯಿತು? What did you gain out of this fight? ಆ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲವೇ? So if you had shared that fruit between both of you, you both could have been happy, right? Now see, he is trying to say that, now see, because you both were fighting and that fruit was on the road, it now you're not able to eat it. It's already smashed. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಲೆ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಿದರು. Children bent down their heads. They realized their mistakes. ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನೇ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ನಿಂತರು. They were staring at the fruit. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ತಪ್ಪಿನ ಅರಿವಾಯಿತು. Now they realized the mistake. Their, where did they go wrong? Now the old man says, ಜಾಣ ಹುಡುಗರು ನೀವು. Both of you are smart, good children. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆ. You have a heart to repent. You have a heart to understand where did you go wrong, right? Makalu, how the ja, and children says yes, yes grandfather. And now ಹಿರಿಯರು ತನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಬೆತ್ತ ಬೀಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಣ್ಣು ಬೀಳಿಸಿದರು. Now the old man, he had a stick in his hand. So he plucked the fruit with the help of that stick, and then he shared the fruit to Setu and Balu between them. And now, children, they both ate the fruit and they forgot the fight. It's a good thing. Good chapter, right? Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next class.